Go. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, my name is Brenda. I am a junior student studying neurobiology, and I'm just very interested in the brain. And today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I think is very interesting, which is the learning process. And so, have you ever wondered what occurs in your brain when you study a lot? The more you study, the more it seems to stick to you. Well, there's actually a chemical process occurring that allows you to retain this information. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the two types of memories that there is. So we have implicit memories and explicit memories. Implicit memories are those that do not require a conscious recall, such as motor skills and habits. And explicit memories are those that require a conscious recall, such as events or facts. And so the region of the brain that focuses on acquiring this explicit memory is the hippocampus. And the cell that is necessary for the nervous system is the neuron. So this consists of three major parts, which is the cell body, the axon, and the dendrites. We're going to be focusing mainly on the dendrites, which is where the dendritic spines are at, and where the interactions between the axon of the presynaptic cell and the dendrites of the postsynaptic cell touch. So it's going to look sort of like this. This will represent the presynaptic cell, and this will represent the postsynaptic cell. So in the presynaptic cell, we have vesicles filled with glutamate. Glutamate is the neurotransmitter responsible for excitatory responses. So in the postsynaptic cell, we have two types of receptors, NMDA and AMPA. So once glutamate is released in the synapse, these glutamate particles will attach to the receptors. And the first one we're going to focus on is AMPA. Once glutamate activates this receptor, it will open, allowing for sodium ions to come in, and then this will cause a depolarization in the cell, meaning that it will have a higher increase in voltage. And then once this occurs, this will allow for the NMDA receptor to be activated. This, unlike the AMPA, has a magnesium ion that obstructs the passage of other ions. So once it's depolarized, it's able to move out, and the ions such as calcium and sodium are able to go inside. Once calcium goes inside, this will cause proteins to be activated such as CAMP2 and PKC. These two proteins will phosphorylate AMPA receptors, meaning that they will be conducted to the synapse. So the more AMPA receptors, the more depolarization, and the more NMDA receptors are able to be activated, the longer. So the longer they're activated, the more LTP is there, so that means that there's more learning process. So NMDA receptor is the main factor for long-term potentiation, and long-term potentiation contributes to the learning process.